of CAPM and correct or incorrect decision with CAPM. This paper focuses on inconsistencies arising from the use of the net present value and capital asset pricing model for capital budgeting. The NPV and CAPM are two companion tools widely used for capital budgeting purposes. They are considered a norm of rationality for decision making. Using some counterexample, this paper showed that A, the legitimacy for the disequilibrium net present value as a decision in accepting or no situation are deductively inferred from CAPM. B, the use of the DNPV for both decision for valuation is widespread in corporate finance. C, the DNPV doesn't preserve additivity nor compatibility with arbitrage price. And D, the right proposal we dispense with the DNPV doesn't guarantee that absent arbitrage will be preserved nor a decision will be correct.
Okay. The CMPM relation with the NPV. NPV is net present value. The NPV is represented, but for this term, the formula, the project is undertaken if only if the NPV is positive. So the disequilibrium NPV is on term corporate finance. The NPV is equal to disequilibrium NPV. Exist three evidence where when use the NPV, in as evaluation tools and decision rule. In explicit stance, implicit stance in textbook, and implicit stance in classic paper. The DNPV is not additive for the provision 1. Third, consider to a project set and a security T lying on the security market line such that the flow set equal H per flow T for some H. Corollary 1, the DNPV is not the value of the project. Now we have on the example, on the table 1 and 2, information about the market, the project 1, project 2, and relevant studies and value. 3 states. Consider the NPVs of the project 1.5, NPV 1, this number value, NPV 2, this value. So for the project 1 and 2 together and flow, we have the information that similar the similar information and the relevant stake value and the different stake what we provide. The NPV of the this portfolio is NPV 1 more 2. This number 3.583. So NPV 1 more NPV 2 don't equal is different NPV 1 and 2 together. So the NPV may not be a project value. For counter example, modifying the cost of project 1 and making the calculations, one find that the NPV 2 more 1 more 2 is negative, and the NPV 1 and more NPV 2 is positive. So the use on this NPV as decision rule is inside. Okay. The rights provisions defense of the NPV more CAPM methodology. Formally, they are present net value this term. Development, the formula, this the value, the project X is for the value the project J, this form. So the new example have two projects X and J with envelopment and numeric. With this decision term, will undertake the project if only if the value is bigger than cost. So the table 5 have information about the cash flow and rate of return of the security market. Envelopment array to the value J is minor of cost. So the price is not on the target. This decision is incorrect. Why? Because the inverter may take a short position, so generate net flow positive. The other example, when the inverter buy 22 today and receive 30 end of the value, the net flow is negative. So no, the net flow is negative, so it's bad trade.
But finally, 2 points important. As a valuation tool, the DNPV is illegitimate because the inconsistent valuation are drawn different representing description of the same course of the action. But as the decision rules, the DNPV is legitimate and unsafe because the positive decision, depending the weight on the course of the action, is represented. Therefore, depending on the way the NPV is calculated, is the most important